Oh, wow. Hi. Hi, pretty bird. What you up to? Other than just chilling in your cage because the dog's inside because we can't take you out. The dog's inside. Dog will eat you. No, she won't. She'll probably just play with you, but that's not the point. Anyway. Hi. I'll be right back, okay? You do what you're doing. Okay, pretty bird. Come on, sing. I know you know it. Come on. No? Don't feel like singing? Why are you upside down? On your side, like. I love this song. No? Okay, at least say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? No? You're just gonna chirp? Okay. Well, bye. Bye. Bye.